दीदी आपने वो मुझे नहीं सिखाई भिंडी अभी तक. मैंने कहा चलो निकलो यहाँ से.
Any ingredient you don't like using in your food?
Soya.
A little bit of soy sauce. Man, this is out of the park. Straight. Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today, I have two very special guests with me in our kitchen. Very special because they are veteran actors, but more than that, they're wonderful human beings. Through their hardships and struggles, which, trust me, they've been through a lot, but hardship se hi to har Uunchai paana mumkin hai. So let us put our hands together and welcome Sarika ji and Neena ji. Ma'am, please.
Hello.
Thank you.
Nice to see you.
Thank you for inviting
Please,
us into
ma'am.
your kitchen.
Thank you.
खाने
is
के
so
लिए आना
beautiful.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
वो
you.
भी आपके किचन में. मैं आपका शो देखती हूँ, बहुत मजा आता है.
That's so sweet of you.
मैं नहीं देखती, आज के बाद देखूंगी.
So we have two followers now in
Yes.
the kitchen also. Ma'am, what is your favorite? What is your favorite?
Mexican.
मैं तो इंडियन ही खाती हूँ.
So, but let's do a combination of both.
You can.
Mexican and Indian, like a fusion.
Oh yes.
Let's call it Mex-Indian.
Okay.
Okay. Paneer Chilli Tacos. How does that sound?
Very good.
So, Paneer Chilli Tacos.
Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
Let's begin. So here we have Sarika ji, and here we have Neena ji, and here you have the taco ji.
Yeah.
So let's begin.
Taco ji.
So the
चलिए.
first thing, ma'am, is to make a khurchan mix, which is a combination of some peppers and
Okay.
paneer.
Okay.
The first thing is to heat a wok and just a little bit of oil, not too much.
Which oil are you putting?
This is, ma'am, regular vegetable
Regular.
oil.
Vegetable.
Vegetable oil. While the oil is heating up, ma'am, a quick question to both of you. Your comfort food.
दाल चावल.
Superb.
Mutton and bhindi.
And you're sharing the screen for the first time together.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's begin with cumin seeds, ma'am.
Okay. जीरा.
Jeera,
हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हम हर चीज ट्रांसलेट कर देते हैं.
onions,
प्याज. पतले कटे हुए. See, you understand, I'm trying to take over your show.
absolutely, with pleasure.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा तेज हो गया ना तेल.
नहीं.
Nee, we want it like that
Like
because
that.
it's like a stir fry.
Correct.
So
Stir fry.
next is peppers,
Red first.
red
लाल, पीली.
and hari.
How beautiful it looks.
I know.
नहीं?
Yeah.
Ma'am, you can just stop me anytime you feel I'm not doing
कि
anything right.
गलत करे आप.
हमारी ये हिम्मत.
I know. This is so nice. और इसको कितनी देर करना है ये?
Ma'am, it's a stir fry. So the quicker,
The better, ना?
the better. Also, we want that little crunch.
पूरा नहीं
In the
पकना
vegetables,
चाहिए.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल.
Basic salt and pepper,
हाँ.
and nothing better than measuring with.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
वो जो रेसिपी में वो बोलते हैं इतना आधा चम्मच है, वो मेरी तो समझ में नहीं आता. मैं तो हाथ का मुझे ध्यान रहता है.
And pepper, freshly cracked.
Yes.
A quick stir fry,
Yeah.
and just a little bit of soy sauce. Very little,
अच्छा.
not too much. Again, this also has salt, so we need to be a
Correct.
little careful.
Yeah. When I use soya sauce, I'm so scared. मैं नमक बाद में डालती हूँ कि कहीं ज़्यादा नहीं हो जाए.
But which is a better way actually.
या मैं
Which
मुझे
is
बहुत
better.
डर लगता है कि कहीं ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
Generally, children look at parents and they, kind of grow up. In your case, your daughters have also created and carved a niche for themselves. Ma'am, Masaba and Shruti and Akshara.
Ji.
How do you learn from them on a daily basis?
I'm growing up with her.
Which is so beautiful.
Yeah. The mistakes I do in social media, I'm learning from her.
And she's a social media queen.
Yeah. Then makeup, I don't know anything about makeup because I don't do makeup. I just do kajal and lipstick. Kajal I make at home
Wow.
myself. But उससे अभी कभी rouge चाहिए तो she'll give me. She keeps sending me things.
How nice,
हाँ,
how
she's a makeup queen also.
So we're going to have her again very soon, and she's going to show us a recipe of how to make kajal at home, exclusively on Rajshri Food.
Yes. It's very simple. I'll teach.
Done. And how about you, ma'am?
मैं क्या उनसे सीखती हूँ? मुझे लगता है शायद उनकी एनर्जी आ जाती है.
How nice.
You know, suddenly I find myself talking like Akshara or reacting or saying something like Shruti, and then you say, अरे मैंने ये कैसे कहाँ से बोला? हाँ ये तो I think वो होता है थोड़ा सा
How nice.
specific नहीं, but उनकी एनर्जी आती रहती है.
And you cook in the house, both of you?
I cook.
You cook. You do. What is your daughter's favorite in the house? when you cook?
उनकी फेवरेट है वो पत्ता गोभी और भिंडी.
Another recipe, patta gobi and
भिंडी.
bhindi.
और बहुत बदमाश हैं. ये लोग बड़ी कोशिश करती हैं कि मैं इनकी मेट्स को सिखा दूं, तो मैं उनको ऊपर से सिखा देती हूँ. और वो फिर पूछती थी, दीदी आपने वो मुझे नहीं सिखाई भिंडी अभी तक. मैंने कहा चलो निकलो यहाँ से. भिंडी मैं नहीं सिखाने वाली.
But you're going to teach me.
Yes.
हमारे घर में बहुत अच्छा वड़ा पाव बनता है.
Wow.
और मसाबा का फेवरेट है और मेरा भी फेवरेट है.
Ma'am, coming back to the recipe,
जी.
this is done. The next is to add in paneer. It could be thick, thin, cubes, chunks. You can crumble it.
Yeah.
The choice is completely yours.
इतना सारा पनीर इसमें डालोगे?
हाँ जी.
अच्छा है.
Because it's
बहुत
paneer.
हाँ.
I've not chilified it, so this is my idea of chili. But otherwise, if somebody wants to add in, you can add in some ginger,
chili
garlic,
flakes or
green
anything,
chili
yeah.
or chili flakes,
Yeah.
some chili sauce, and just spike it up.
Basil also.
Basil maybe. Yeah.
इतना
हाँ जी.
पनीर अगर मुझे बनाना हो तो 10 लोगों का खाना बनाती हूँ उतना पर.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, it's heavy. हाँ.
But ma'am, now we're
अगर
going to make
एक
at
पीस
least.
ये खा लिया तो पूरा खाना हो जाना.
We're going to make at least like 8-10 tacos out of this.
अच्छा, then it's
हाँ जी. And again, everything is there already. There's salt, there's pepper, there's soy, cumin seeds.
So we are not going to cook the paneer.
We'll just toss it again.
Okay.
Ma'am, so while this is again kind of coming back to life, talking about Uunchai
जी.
and food on the sets of Uunchai, how was it?
सच कहूँ तो
हाँ
मैं घर से खाना लाती हूँ.
Okay.
मैं शूटिंग का खाना नहीं खाती
Okay.
कभी. लेकिन इनके जो सूरज जी के घर से खाना आता है ना, वैसा खाना मैंने कभी नहीं खाया.
I agree.
इट इज सो सिंपल. मतलब उनकी
Very
तुरई
light.
खाए, लाइट, घी में बनता है सब. यू कैन स्मेल द घी, बट दैट वाज अमेजिंग.
Wow.
या
And your experience, ma'am?
My food experience was good also because I think we had also very varied menus.
Right.
Because हमने इतना travel किया ना फिल्म की शूटिंग के
हाँ,
लिए. हम अलग जगहों पे गए.
So local food also you all have eaten or experienced?
मैंने तो खाया है. So I तो wherever I go, I first get out of the 5-star hotel.
Right.
And then eat the local food. But that was fun in film. इसमें हम जब नेपाल गए थे तो छोटे रिसोर्ट में हम रहे थे. कोई 5-star होटल नहीं था.
Right.
तो उनके किचन वगैरह होते थे तो हम लोग वहाँ जाके.
How nice.
नेपाल में लोग राई यूज नहीं करते.
Okay.
मुझे पता नहीं था कि
हाँ.
वो लोग ऐसी कोई जगह है जहाँ लोग राई यूज नहीं करते. उनके पास राई होती नहीं तो हमको काठमांडू से ले जानी पड़ी.
You know, when we were studying in hotel school, recipes were very simpler because the moment you ask, ये कैसे बनना है? Ginger, garlic, green chili, red chili paste,
सब में
mustard, cumin, oil,
हाँ.
और फिर कोई भी सब्जी डाल दो, वो बन ही जाएगी.
So I want to ask you one question as a cook.
हाँ.
Paste versus freshly smashed ginger garlic. What do you
I would
prefer?
always prefer the fresh. Always.
Paste तो-
Always.
Paste I have never understood. Because paste मुझे लगता है वो कुछ और ही हो जाता है. पूरे खाने का हिस्सा बन जाता है. मतलब
I agree.
ऐसे
I
नहीं
agree.
होना चाहिए.
I've put this flame off for now because we
Correct.
just wanted to kind of
It's
settle.
looking so good.
What we'll do is now we'll bring in the parathas,
Correct.
which we've cut into little pieces, and that is going to be the taco base. You can even take leftovers. So if you have like
Correct.
chapatis or lacha parathas or
Ah.
pulkas from a day prior,
Correct.
you can just bring it to life and do something
do
like
the
this.
filling.
And do the filling. In fact, even puris can get stuffed and
Yeah.
you can make it like a taco
पूरी
puri.
बनाओ.
Chalo. So here we have the paneer khurchan mix, which is done and ready.
Correct.
I have lacha parathas ready,
जी.
and I have mayonnaise. I also
Okay.
have some fried noodles, so
Okay.
we'll assemble it. But before that, just like
गरम कर लें.
garam kar lenge.
ठीक है.
तो ये पराठे पहले बना के रखिए.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. It just becomes easier, ma'am. Fulkas, it just becomes easier.
Yeah. और वो कट भी करना होता है तो पहले से बन जाए तो
हाँ.
आसान हो जाता है.
Absolutely. So, ma'am, while this is now kind of warming up, if you had one meal to eat like forever,
No, never. I love food. I would never restrict
हाँ.
myself to one meal
और
ever.
एक जोक है ना, वो एक दामाद गए अपने ससुराल में, वहाँ गए तो दामाद थे तो उनके लिए बड़ा ऐसा बनाया. तो किसी ने उनको बताया होता इसको भिंडी बहुत पसंद है, तो उन्होंने भिंडी दी, तो उसने भिंडी खा ली और वो भिंडी देते गए, खाइए खाइए खाइए. तो आप हमें वही कह रहे हैं कि एक चीज खाते रहे. अरे 4 दिन में पागल हो जाएंगे, बोलेंगे कभी देखेंगे नहीं.
पागलपन की ऊंचाई तक नहीं पहुंचना है.
नहीं,
है ना?
हमारी ये ऊंचाई ठीक है.
Ma'am, while this is heating and we'll soon start assembling, I have a little questionnaire for
Okay.
both of you, like a rapid fire.
मतलब खाने से पहले थोड़ी मेहनत कर लो. Earn your food.
फ्री में नहीं मिलेगा.
Ma'am, any ingredient you don't like using in your food?
Too much salt.
Too much salt. About you, ma'am?
Soya.
Man, this is out of the park. Straight.
नो बट आपने बहुत थोड़ा डाला है.
मैंने बहुत थोड़ा डाला है. I'm safe. Which city you have maximum food memories?
Memory is Delhi.
Delhi?
Yes.
And chole or pav bhaji?
छोले.
Bhaji.
Pav.
Bhaji.
One thing you don't like eating?
There are one or two things which I'm not very fond of.
करेला नहीं खाती.
करेला बिल्कुल नहीं.
ना कड़वा लगता है.
मुझे करेला बहुत पसंद है. I love करेला so much. I can like make it in 5 different ways.
When in a bad mood, what would you prefer eating?
कुछ नहीं. My bad moods can't be comforted by food. Yeah. Music
And
लगा.
राजमा चावल.
Rajma chawal. So I think we've gone everywhere from pav bhaji to chole to rajma chawal to dal chawal, bhindi, gobi, vada pav, aloo matar. We've scratched the surface.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what do you eat when you're under stress? Yeah.
Chips.
Actually chips is.
That's also your guilty pleasure in a way.
Yeah. It is not very healthy.
Actually I also love chips and
Chips
coke.
बस.
Chips and coke.
Chips आ जाए ना मुझे वो sort हो जाए.
है ना?
हाँ.
What do you like to eat when you're celebrating?
I like to cook lots of things. Chaat.
Chaat. You're like me.
Chaat is my favorite. So is it possible that I can also eat this much? Just this.
Of course, like a salad.
Like
See,
a
in
salad.
fact, this also can be a warm salad.
Yeah.
This could also
Good
go in the
idea.
refrigerator and become a cold salad.
yeah.
So it depends on how you want to.
Very nice salad.
So it's like
idea.
recipe
And
within
if
a
you're
recipe.
getting like really feeling little taste need,
Huh.
we could also possibly, if without spoiling the dish,
Right.
substitute the noodles with papad, crushed
Absolutely,
papad.
absolutely. There's something called papad.
और chips.
Yeah, or chips, of course.
ये बहुत छोटी नहीं है रोटी.
मैम थोड़ी ना कॉकटेल साइज बनाई है.
अच्छा अच्छा.
But हाँ, you can.
Taco fusion है ना वो taco.
हाँ.
हम भूल
And
गए
then
वो.
just to kind of bring this together,
Yeah, पूरा सीधे.
so it just stays well.
It's very nice. Very nice.
इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है अब तो.
So we'll just keep this and we'll start assembling some more. Ma'am, you want to try?
You have to first put.
Paneer or vegetables, anything is
No,
fine.
if you put vegetables, then that makes the bed.
हाँ. And then one piece of paneer on
Then you put one piece on the top.
top. See, that's a tip for you.
Yeah. तो वो गिरेगा नहीं.
And then just get it together.
Yeah, little bit of. Yeah, let's try
Okay?
some. Yeah.
You want to?
अरे वाह.
So just a little, not too much. You don't want to go too much and overboard.
सारिका जी आप खा भी सकती हैं इसको.
हाँ बिल्कुल मैं तो खाऊंगी.
So what I'll do is,
शेफ की परमिशन मिल जाए
अरे
फिर खाएं.
please, please.
Yeah. This is perfect.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You can just put a dollop and then just collect everything in one side, or then go all designer.
So
आप आए
हाँ जी.
आप आए.
इसको खाते एक चैलेंज में देती हूँ.
हाँ जी.
आप दोनों ये खाइए कुछ भी गिरना नहीं चाहिए नीचे.
Correct. Yeah, good one.
See, even if we
Challenge.
lose, we earn a taco.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually.
Very good.
Like it?
So subtle.
And it just has basic ingredients, ma'am. So anybody can make it
Yeah.
at home.
And what I like the best is बहुत कम तेल है.
हाँ. And that was also deliberate.
Yeah.
There you go. Ma'am, this can keep happening.
Yeah.
Talking about Uunchai, your film, which is releasing very soon. Personal experiences about working with Suraj ji.
आप बताएं जब तक मैं खा
हाँ.
लेती हूँ.
Basically, first of all, I think it's an honor for me to work with him. तो मैं आज सुबह सोच रही थी कि राजश्री 75 years,
Right.
सूरज जी डायरेक्टर, साथ में मिस्टर बच्चन, सारिका, बमन, डैनी, परिणीति, 3 अनुपम, चौथा मेरा रोल अच्छा, 5वां अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट. मतलब कितना कुछ इसमें हमको मिला है. I'll always remember this film
How
as
nice.
something very
How
special, and also the message it gives is also very special. तो मुझे ये और भी इसलिए अच्छी लगती है ऊंचाई फिल्म क्योंकि प्रीचिंग नहीं है पर कहीं ना कहीं बहुत खूबसूरत मैसेज है.
How nice.
Yeah.
How nice. But you, ma'am?
The experience part was very good. मुझे लगता है हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि सबका सुर बैठ जाए मगर ऐसे होता नहीं है, बाई चांस होता है. और ऐसी फिल्में बहुत कभी कभी होती हैं. तो इस फिल्म में मुझे लगता है एक तो पूरे आर्टिस्ट जो बहुत ज़रूरी है इंटरैक्शन के लिए,
Sure.
उन सबका सुर एक था. सो दैट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल, वेरी हेल्पफुल एज एन एक्टर. एंड देन सबसे अच्छा जो सुर था और जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सुर होता है सेट पे वो डायरेक्टर का होता है, वो सूरज जी का था.
Suraj ji is phenomenal.
He is phenomenal.
And he's
Absolutely.
that quiet, silent energy.
Yeah. जो इतने कंफर्टेबल हैं, इतने सिक्योर हैं, एंड दैट्स समथिंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम द मैन.
Absolutely.
एक्चुअली अगर आप सेट पे होते तो आपको पता चलता उनकी पूरी डायरेक्शन टीम, हमारे जो कैमरामैन हैं मनोज जी, वो कॉस्ट्यूम, टेरेंस, इट वाज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल सेट.
How did you like it?
अमेजिंग. मैं तो बिना उसके भी ओनली ईटिंग दिस इज लाइक अ सैलड इज वेरी
Like a
गुड.
salad. Ma'am, thank you so much for joining us at Rajshri Food.
थैंक यू सो मच. एक बात
हाँ
मैं
जी.
कहना चाहूँगी कि जो हमारी बहुत 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 प्रिय फिल्म ऊंचाई है वो आप ज़रूर देखने जाएं और थिएटर में जाना, क्योंकि उसमें इतना कुछ है जो बड़े पर्दे पे ही देखना चाहिए, नहीं तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा. प्रॉमिस करो जाओ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. जैसे नीना जी ने कहा, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. अगर आप थिएटर में देखेंगे तो वो पूरी जो हमारी मेहनत है वो जरा गिफ्ट, रिटर्न गिफ्ट हो जाएगा आपका
sweet,
देखना.
how sweet.
सो प्लीज जाके थिएटर में देखें ऊंचाई. बस वही मुलाकात होगी.
Thank you very much for joining.
थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग अस.
एंड फॉर द लवली.
Yes.
And while speaking, we actually missed one landmark. We were talking about 75 years of Rajshri.
Yes.
We also completed 10 years at Rajshri Food.
Oh,
So
congratulations.
This is super
to you
special.
and to your audience, congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
So here we have Paneer Chilli Tacos.
Yes.
See you
Yes.
soon.
Bye
Very
bye.
soon. Bye for now.